What is going on, everybody in Max Squad? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Galaxy A01. Now this is courtesy of Tech Through Tony. I'm not sure if you guys know his YouTube channel, but shout out to him for providing this device to make a video here on the channel. Stay tuned. Now, Max Squad, as we said in the intro of this video here, this is going to be an unboxing of the Galaxy A01. And this is a budget device here that is currently on Total Wireless. And you can get it on lock or any other carrier that you would prefer based on your carrier needs. And this is courtesy here through Tech Through Tony here. I want to give a huge shout out to him and say thank you for actually providing this device here. Unboxing video is courtesy of him. So his link will be in the description below. He's a pretty big channel. He has about 50 to 60 to 70,000 subscribers here on YouTube here. So definitely appreciate him for providing this device. But let's go ahead and go over the specifications of this device here. So this device here, of course, is on Total Wireless. As you can see, it is 4G LTE enabled. It has Android 10, 5.7-inch HD display. And it says here on the box that you have battery talk time up to 25 hours, standby time up to 11 days. It is Wi-Fi capable, of course. Internal memory is going to be 16 gigs, which is definitely a phone that I don't recommend for a lot of people unless you are, the most basic user here, of course. Bluetooth 4.2 wireless technology. And the other things are dual cameras. As you can see, 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel, and you get a 5 megapixel front camera. 2 gigahertz processor plus a 1.4 gigahertz octa-core. I believe the Snapdragon 439 is in this device here. So actually pretty excited to actually use it here. But other than that, specifications as far as this device here, battery size, things like that, we will find that as we go on here in the video here. Some more specifications here on the side, as you can see, and on the back, you get a little bit of information that's Total Wireless. But let's go ahead and stop holding you guys and get this thing open. Okay, guys, so that gave me a little bit more trouble than I would like to admit. But nonetheless, we got the box open, and we're going to get to this device here. Now, okay, we can go ahead and talk about this here because this is a characteristic of the phone itself. Yeah, the first thing I noticed here with this device is that, of course, it has dual cameras on the back. The bezel on this thing here is pretty big. It's pretty big here. Of course, you get a notch on the top there, and then the bottom bezel is like pretty big, man. That's like a big chin. Yeah, but it's a cool phone, has a speaker on the back. Still pretty excited to use it because, I always like trying out new devices, especially devices that I wouldn't necessarily pick up myself. On the bottom of it here, you do get USB Type-C, so that is a positive there. Headphone jack is on top, and your AC adapter, SIM tray tool, and Type-C cable to Type-A. Let's go ahead and get this other stuff back into the box here. So you can get that fit perfectly. Snap that down. Get the books, and as you can see here, you get your usual books. Pretty big books, actually. Let me go ahead and snap this back into place and throw it back inside the box here. So 1 second, y'all. Sweet. So boom, we had the Galaxy A01 unboxed. And once again, give a huge shout out to Tech Through Tony. His link for his channel will be in the description below. But let's go ahead and see if this device has any juice. It better. All right, there we go. Samsung Galaxy A01. And so what I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and get the device set up to get it properly, the initial impressions here, taking it out of the box. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. So Max Squad, here we are with the Galaxy A01. It being set up to minor settings here. Now, oh, excuse my Pixel in the 5 there. I got the notifications up on full volume. But basically, yeah, I didn't install the applications that I would normally have on my devices here. This device only has 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. So a lot of the applications that I have are really big applications. And, out of the box, your device isn't going to have 16 gigs. It's probably going to have like around 11 to 12. Matter of fact, to be specific, we can go right into the settings here and check that out right now. So let's see how much storage you get out of the box. Keep in mind, I didn't install anything here. So you have 8.2 gigabytes available, which is horrible if you ask me. That completely sucks. But the device does feature a 3000 milliamp hour battery, and you have a 5 megapixel camera in the front, dual cameras in the back. One is a 13 and the other one is a 2. We can go ahead and activate the camera right now to see how good it is. It actually doesn't look too bad. Let's go over the video. I think the max resolution here on this device is 1080p, 30 frames per second. And if we look at the front camera, it doesn't look horrible. It actually looks pretty good. I do got lighting set up here, so it doesn't look the best, but gets the job done. So yeah, camera is pretty decent on the device here, and it is a 720p display. And I had YouTube pulled up here. I was gonna go ahead and show you guys an example of what that screen looks like and what the audio sounds like. Between the Galaxy A71 5G and the Moto G Power. Now, which one of these devices is going to win? Let's find out. Okay, so from first impressions here, listen to that loudspeaker. Well, drop the phone. The actual device, the speaker, as far as the quality, isn't too bad. It doesn't sound the best, of course, but it does get pretty loud. It's just that it's missing out on some type of treble in there a little bit. The bass isn't as punchy, but it is a budget phone, so you can't really go too hard on the device itself. But other than that, I do like the phone here, and I will be putting it up against the Galaxy A10 that I have. I might put it up against some of the other budget devices to see exactly how well it can do. I got to put Geekbench on here, TwoTube benchmark, things of that nature. But other than that, I do like the phone here, and for it to be inexpensive, I believe it's like 40 bucks on Amazon. You can pick it up right now. You can probably pick this device up at your local Walmart. But being that we do have it in hand here now, we can go ahead and put it up against other devices, and that got me pretty excited here. So Tech through Tony, give him a huge shout out and a thank you in his next video here, and let him know that you came over here from Mac Squad, because that was a very nice thing of him to do. And more things are coming here in the future on the channel, so just be patient and stay tuned with me here. But other than that, Mac Squad, let me know in the comment section below what type of content do you want to see here with the Galaxy A01, speed tests, battery tests, all that. Let me know in the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel here, consider subscribing so you don't miss any coverage when it comes to budget devices like the Galaxy A01. And Mac Squad, like this video here so that other people just like you can get a little bit more help when it comes to researching budget devices like the Galaxy A01. And then you get to see cool unboxing videos, speed test videos, things of that nature. It makes sense, right? And last but not least, share this video with your friends and family and let them know that not all Android cameras suck. It is just not true. But until then, my name is Max Rock. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day, y'all. Deuces.